Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn standard 10 English medium, chapter number 8, Introduced to Trigonometry. Now solve exercise 8.1. In last lecture we have to solve question 1 to question 5 and 7. So in lecture we have to solve question number 6. Let's start question number 6. In question number 6, angle A and angle B, acute angle. Angle A and angle B, acute angle. So in triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Then prove that cos A equal to cos B. Angle A equal to angle B, we have to prove. So cos A is equal to cos A means opposite side is BC on an angle, A adjacent side is AC. So cos A equal to cos B. Value of cos A is equal to, cos means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side is AC and hypotenuse is AB. Now cos B is equal to adjacent side and hypotenuse. So BC divided by BC divided by AB. So value of cos A equal to cos B. Therefore AC divided by AB is equal to BC divided by AB. Now we have to take a value of K. So AC divided by AB equal to K. BC divided by AB is equal to K. So value of AC is equal to K into AB. In similar way, value of BC is equal to AB into K. Now AC is equal to same value, BC is equal to same value, and AB is also hypotenuse. So in figure, angle A equal to angle B, we can say that by using similarity theorem and all sides are ratio in same proportion and the sides in a same proportion, angle in a acute angle. So angle B equal to angle A, we can say that by using. And now you have to solve for using Pythagoras theorem for triangle ABC. Pythagoras theorem is AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So after Pythagoras theorem, take value in place of AC, we have to return AB square K square AB in value of BC is equal to AB square K square. Now K is common. So in similar that all sides are equal, proof by using Pythagoras theorem. So for the calculation, Pythagoras theorem apply and find value of all sides, and then prove that angle in a acute angle. Now question number 8. So solve itself and find answer. Prove that angle B equal to angle A, both are same value. Now question number 8. 3 cot A is equal to 4. So 3 cot A is equal to 4. Therefore cot A is equal to 4 by 3, and value of cot A. So one angle is 90 degree. Suppose angle A is equal to here, angle B is equal to 90, and C is equal to here. So angle A opposite side is BC, adjacent side is AB. Cot means adjacent what is a reciprocal of tan, and tan is opposite side upon adjacent side. So cos is equal to adjacent side upon opposite side. Adjacent side of angle A is equal to 4. Opposite side of angle A is equal to 3. So find value of AC by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem for triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So Pythagoras theorem is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. 3 plus 4. Value of AB is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. AC square is equal to 25. Therefore, AC is equal to 5. So the value of AC we find 5. Now check 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Now value of left hand side and right hand side is cos square A minus sin square A. We have to given that cos square A minus sin square A. Value of left hand side. So here RHS. This term is LHS. Let's start with LHS. LHS is equal to 1 minus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A. 1 minus tan. Tan means opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side of angle A, it means BC divided by adjacent side means AB. Therefore 1 minus BC divided by AB whole square. Tan A means opposite upon adjacent means BC divided by AB whole square. In similar way 1 plus same value tan A AB whole square. 1 minus BC divided by AB. Value of BC is equal to 3 and 4 whole square divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Therefore 1 minus 9 divided by 16. 1 plus 9 divided by 16. Now LCM is 16. Main division 16 into 1. 16 minus 9. In similar way LCM is 16. 1 multiplied by 16 plus 9. So 16 and 16 cancel. Both denominator will be cancelled. Remains part is 16 minus 9. Answer is 7. And 16 plus 9, it means 25. So LHS answer is 7 divided by 25. Now check answer of RHS. RHS means value of right hand side cos square A minus sin square A. RHS means right hand side, LHS means left hand side. So in right hand side cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A. Value of cos A. Cos A means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side means AB and hypotenuse is AC. So AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. In similar way sin. Sin means opposite side. Opposite side of angle A means BC divided by AC. Value of AB. AB is equal to 4. AC is equal to 5. So 4 divided by 5 whole square minus AC 5. BC is equal to 3. 16 divided by 25 minus 25 as it is 3 square 9. 16 divided by 25 minus 9 divided by 25. LCM is 25. Therefore 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 divided by 25. So answer of LHS and RHS both are equal. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Question number 9. In question number 9, we have given that angle B is equal to 90 degree and so angle B is equal to 90 remains angle A and C respectively. Now another value is tan A is equal to 1 upon under root 3. Tan A is equal to 1 upon under root 3. Tan means opposite side divided by adjacent side. So 1 is represented opposite side of angle A, under root 3 represented adjacent side of angle A. So value of 1 means which side? Opposite side of angle A. So angle A opposite side, therefore answer is 1. Now under root 3 means denominator equation is opposite side divided by adjacent side. So under root 3 is the adjacent side of angle A. So adjacent side of angle A. Now find value of AC by using Pythagoras theorem. Angle is 90 degree. So by using Pythagoras theorem, for triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Value of AB square under root 3 square and 1 square. A square and under cancel, therefore answer is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Value of AC square is equal to 4. So value of AC, it means both sides taking square root, therefore under root 4. So AC is equal to 2. Value of AC is equal to 2. After find all sides, we have to check one by one. First, we have to check sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. So sin A, value of sin A means opposite side upon hypotenuse. Value of A is equal to BC divided by AC multiplied by cos C. Cos means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So BC divided by AC. Put all values step by step and solve the answer. In second question, cos A multiplied by cos C minus sin A into sin C. So similar, first value find cos A. Cos A means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side of angle A is equal to AB and hypotenuse is equal to AC. Cos C, according to angle C, adjacent side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Sin A means opposite upon hypotenuse, means opposite BC, hypotenuse BC. Sin C, opposite side on hypotenuse, it means AB divided by AC. Put all value and simplify answer. Now question number 9, solve and find value. Question number 10. In question number 10, we have given detail angle theta in PQR. Angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So P and R, this side. PR, another value, PR plus QR is equal to 25 and another term PQ is equal to 5 centimeter and 25 centimeter. So find sin P, cos P and tan P. Value of sin P, cos P and tan P find. So we know that how to find. You have compulsory value of all side of triangle. So we have checked only PQ. PQ is equal to 5 centimeter is given and addition of two sides means PR plus QR is equal to 25 given. So right angle triangle, only one option, right angle triangle. So by using Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR not given, so PR square we have written. In place of PQ, we have to given value of PQ 5 square plus QR square. So given that PR plus QR is equal to 25, so value of QR is equal to 25 minus PR. So in place of QR, we have to take 25 minus PR whole square. Another term, another equation will be created. QR, value of QR and value of QR is equal to 25 minus PR, and value of PR is equal to 25 minus QR. Anyone can return. So PR square is it is now. So using this equation, we put value of QR is equal to 25 minus PR. So written as 25 plus A square, A minus B whole square. So A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Value of A is equal to 25, value of B is equal to PR, and between minus, so minus. First value of A square means 25 square, 65, 625. Now 2AB plus B square. B square means PR square. Let's see. PR square is equal to 25 plus 625. Answer is 650 minus 25 into 5, 50 PR plus PR square. PR square cancel, side change. So 625 is equal to 50 PR. PR side change, so positive sign, and 65 here. So 65 is equal to 0 and 0 cancel. PR is equal to 65 divided by 5. So answer is 13. Value of PR is equal to 13. It means value of PR is equal to 30. So QR is equal to 25 minus 30. So PR plus QR is equal to 25. Value of PR is equal to 13. Therefore 13 plus QR is equal to 25. So QR is equal to 25 minus 13. So QR is equal to 12. So QR is equal to 12 and PR is equal to 13 centimeter. All sides are fine. Then find sin P. Sin means opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. And tan means opposite side upon adjacent side according to angle P. Angle P opposite side QR, adjacent side PQ, and hypotenuse PR. Now question number 11. In question number 11, true false check. First, true false, write answer true or false and give reason for false. First question, value of tan A is less than 1. First statement, value of tan A less than 1. Now tan A means what? Opposite side upon adjacent side. So when answer is less than 1, suppose 2 divided by 3 or 3 divided by 2, both answer have difference. So here answer is less than 1 because denominator is big. In second question, denominator is small than numerator, so answer is greater than 1. Here answer is less than 1 because down part denominator is big. So in this case, tan A is equal to less than 1. It means adjacent side is bigger than opposite side. But this is mathematically not true because opposite side and adjacent side are equal, not equal, greater than, less than, not. We can say that before to see question. So it is not mathematically practically true. So first question is false, and reason is adjacent side is equal to, less than, and greater than. Also all possibility will be possible. So we cannot say that value of tan A is always less than 1. Second question, sec A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Sec A is equal to 12 by 5, some value of angle A. 12 by 5. First we know that equation of sec. Equation of sec. Sec means reciprocal of cos. Sec is reciprocal of cos. So cos means adjacent upon hypotenuse. So reciprocal is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. So 12 is a hypotenuse and 5 is a adjacent side. So in right angle triangle, hypotenuse is a biggest side. So here this relation prove that. So sec A is equal to 12 by 5 is right. So second statement is true. Third statement, cos is a observation for cosecant of angle A. Third question, sec is observation for cosecant of angle A. Cos means cosine, not cosecant. So in this way, question number 3 is false. Reason is cos is not cosecant, cos is cosine relation. Question number 4, cot A is a product of cot into A. So both are different. Cot A is product of cot and A. So the reason is statement is false because without angle A, cot have no value because in right angle triangle ABC. Now we cannot simplify that which angle to find cot. It means cot A, cot C, which angle to find value of cot. So without cot A is not matter, not value of cot. So given statement is false. Last question, sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 4 angle theta. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 3. Now sin means what? Which relation? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. It means 4 represented opposite side and 3 represented hypotenuse. So in right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the largest, biggest side of all compared to all side. So here 3 is a largest, 2 4 no. Therefore given relation is not applicable. So statement is false because 3 is less than 4, but hypotenuse is the largest side of comparison to all side, but not possible mathematically here. So 3 is less than 4. So answer is false. So So exercise 8.1 we have to completed all question. Practices and prepare also must be compulsory all equation. So new exercise will be done with some new equation. So after that we have to learn before you read all, prepare and read all equation according to chapter number 8. So thank you friends.